of the guys here, even if it's not, no problem. Okay, so what you're gonna do? Catch the elbow here. Right? We have this under our feet here, the hook here. Okay? So what you do? You pressure a little bit this arm in order to do this armbar here, okay? But it's not gonna happen, okay? The guy don't let you to do this thing. Just let's say if you get it, good. But what he's gonna do? When he's straight and maybe escape the hips a little bit to the side and put this elbow here. Okay, so it's not in a situation to tap. So when I do this thing, he goes away. Yeah. When he does this thing now, what I do? I will step with my leg on top of his arm. Two, like this. Alright? Here I'm gonna catch his elbow. Okay? Here the same. Now, this part of my foot goes here. Okay? Like this. Pretend this is my leg, this is my foot. Okay? But in order to do this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get up on my hand, this one here. Boom. Okay? Now I throw this leg over here. Okay? You fall like this. If you miss, from here maybe you can already start to, let's say, from here, you can already start to make him tap, alright? But let's say you lost a little bit because he defended, and then you come here and make him tap, right? So again, let's see, it's a double attack here. I start to attack here and do this. Look, let's stop a little bit. Let's say I got it, so I just need to put the hips forward. So I'm doing this with his arm, okay? When I start to do this, he starts to defend, alright? So I throw the leg over, grab the wrist, and then go to the elbow, alright? Go to the elbow, get up on my hand, put the foot inside, okay? So also I'm making pressure him to that way, okay? So I throw the leg over, alright? Keep it here, it's good to keep it here. People like to do this, but then he can defend, and then it's too much, okay? So just keep it here, go down, make sure this hand here, you bring him with you so he doesn't get so far away from you. You're going down. I feel like I'm in a little bit in a wrong spot, so I can just slide. Or maybe if I don't feel that I'm in a wrong spot, I do from here. Or you go here. Okay? And I think that. Here you just need to hips forward and keep this here. Okay? So again, one time. Whoever doesn't know this first one, you can try to, okay? If you know, you don't need to try. This and hips forward. Okay? When I start to do this, he defends, I throw it over, okay? Here, catch the wrist, first the wrist and then the elbow. Get up on your hand, put the foot there, my shin is on his face, he starts to defend, I push a little bit, and then I throw the leg over, bring him with me, here or here. Okay? Let's try.